In this video, I'd like to share with you some of the reasons why photos will be blurry and some of the ways that you can fix them. Probably the most common reason for blurry photos is poor focus. You've got to choose to focus on the right part of the image, the most important part of the image, which is usually your main subject. Movement in photos can also sometimes cause blurring, and this is when your shutter speed's too slow. Using a tripod can help this, but then sometimes if your subject is moving and you're using a slow shutter speed, this can also cause problems with blurring. So the best ways to fix blurry photos are to make sure your photos are sharp, make sure they're in focus. And this is a matter of just being really careful of where you focus in your photo, especially when you're using a wide aperture, because a wide aperture is going to give you less of the photo in focus, so that's a shallower depth of field. You can help to avoid this by choosing a higher f-stop number, so a smaller aperture, because the smaller the aperture, the deeper the depth of field, the more in focus that you'll have in your photo. Avoiding movement when you're not using a tripod. Sometimes if you're using a slow shutter speed and you get a little bit of camera movement, this will cause blurring in a photo too. So you need to opt for a faster shutter speed. And then the last thing is when you've got motion blur. So if your subject is moving and the subject is blurred, the background might be nice and sharp, but because the subject's moving, the image will be blurred. And this depends on also the shutter speed and depending on the speed of the movement. So if you've got somebody that's walking past your camera slowly, that's not going to need such a fast shutter speed if there's a person riding a motorcycle past, because they're moving a lot quicker. So the faster your subject movement, the faster your shutter speed needs to be to freeze that movement. So make sure your photos are in focus and focused in the right place. Make sure that you're holding your camera still and that your shutter speed is fast enough, and make sure that if your subject is moving, then your shutter speed is fast enough too. And if you're not able to get a faster shutter speed by using the widest aperture, then consider changing your ISO. So using a faster ISO, a higher ISO, sorry, you'll be able to use a faster shutter speed. So if you're outside, you're using maybe 100 ISO and your shutter speed is at a 30th of a second or a 15th of a second and you're still getting blurring, you need to put your shutter speed up maybe to a 250th of a second. So then you need to use maybe an 800 ISO 16 or 3200 ISO to balance your exposure. So follow these tips and you'll be more likely to have photos that are nice and sharp and not blurry. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date when we release new videos.